Hi guys, thanks for clicking in. My name is Dave, and for my first video I wanted to show a quick, cheap holdfast that anybody can make in a few minutes. Holdfasts can be kind of expensive, and they don't need to be, in my opinion. This right here, I've been using one just like this for quite a while now with no real complaints. In order to make it, what you're going to need is a scrap piece of wood. I'm just using a piece of 2x3. You can use 2x4. You can use any scrap you've got. Hardwood might do better. I'm not real sure, but these are cheap. And if I break one, I can make another one in a couple of minutes. So all you do, and you're going to need some electrical conduit. This is available at the home store for around $3 for a 10-foot joint. You can get them in the 5-foot pieces. They're going to be a little more expensive per foot that way, but if you don't need that much, you can go ahead and get that. You'll need that, and some screws for attaching. More than likely screws or a bolt. You're going to want a mechanical fastener, because anything like epoxy is probably going to just pound out after being beat for so long. As far as tools go, you'll need a saw if you need to resize your wood. You'll need a drill and a drill bit that fits the outside diameter of your conduit, or is just slightly less than the inside diameter. Would be alright. You can always pound it in there, nice tight fit. Something to drive your screws or your bolt, whatever. Tubing cutter. Cut your electrical metal conduit. This will cut in a nice straight line. There's a couple different kinds. I've got a quick release here. It's a little fancier. This one's actually, I think will go a little bigger than this. And optional, you can go. You can use a block plane. Try to cut yourself a little foot, or you can just chop it off with your saw. But basically, just goes like this. You got a piece of wood. You drill your hole in it, right like that. You take a piece of conduit. Okay, I'm not going to show you drilling a hole. You know how to drill a hole. And your hole just has to be at a slight angle. It's not really, you can experiment with different angles, see which one's best for you, and whichever way you prefer them. But you just throw your, that's solid. Now, show you it works. Put that in there. Chunk of wood. And it's solid. Now, you release it. All you need, a couple wax on the back, and there you are. Alright, well, I dropped my little chunk of wood there, so we're going to have to make another one. So, go ahead and use the thing here. Help. Okay, it's yank you out a little bit. We'll work holding while we're using it. Roughly square. Would be better if I used two of them. I need to cut some more dog holes in my bench also. So, release, smack it on the back, it comes up, down, there we go. Now, that piece. Another thing you can do, got that little square here. Another chunk of conduit. Show you just how this works. Now, this is a tubing cutter. All you got to do, find where you want it. Oops. You want to cut it? Show on camera there. Give it about there. Make sure that you're in between the two rollers right up here up top. Then you just spin it, and as you make a full rotation, tighten down the knob, spin it again, tighten down the knob, and you go backwards. This is actually going back and forth is a way to make sure that it just doesn't spiral on you. Oh, see how clean that is? That edge, you can run some sandpaper over that, smooth it up if you want. Usually I don't worry about it. Do that right there. Grab one of our self-taps. Okay, it's just to keep it from going anywhere. Now, as you can see, we got ourselves a bench dog. And you can do all kinds of things. Make your own bench cookies. Camera's in the way over there. There. Right there. Right there. Now, you get the point. And you can change that up. Change this up. You're basically make any kind of accessory you want for bench dog holes, whatever. There, got that. I'm not going to plain plywood, but there you go. Well, I hope you learned something. I hope I learned something. And I hope to do some better videos in the future. And thanks for watching.